Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log out from account in eFootball Mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your eFootball mobile game and from the home page, tap on the Extras tab located at the top right corner. Once you're in the Extras section, go ahead and tap on Support. Now at the top of the Support menu, tap on Linked Data. Here, make sure your account is already linked with either Game Center or preferably Konami ID. Linking with Konami is the safest and most reliable option for backing up your account. This is important because if your data is not linked, you'll lose your progress after logging out. Once your data is safely linked, go back and exit the game. Now comes the actual logout step. Simply long press the game icon on your phone and delete the game from your device. Yes, deleting the game is what logs you out from your account. After deleting, reinstall and reopen the game. When the game launches again, you'll be logged out and taken to the welcome screen. From here, tap on the 3 lines menu icon, then select Data Transfer. Next, tap on Transfer Data linked to Konami ID. A pop-up will appear. Here, you'll now see 2 options. Choose the second one in red that says Register as Existing User. After that, simply enter your email address and password for your Konami account, and you'll be successfully logged back in. And that's it. So that's basically how you can log out from account in eFootball Mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.